Ever just needed a heavy-duty winch line, asked for the diameter and length, but didn't specify the specific makeup? You probably didn't get the right winch line intended for your wrecker. Not choosing the correct winch line can compromise the working load limits and the safety of your entire setup. For heavy-duty wreckers, there is a wide array of choices. For the construction 6x36 and 6x37 IWRC, winch lines are pretty much the same thing. Different manufacturers supply them, but both focus on flexibility and durability. Great for bending over winch drums and snatch blocks frequently. These are most common on your heavy-duty wreckers and rotators now. EIPS or XIPS, which is extra improved plow steel, use higher strength steel for better abrasion resistance and longer life. EEIPS or XXIPS, which is extra improved plow steel, take it a step further with even stronger steel and improved fatigue resistance for a higher brake strength, built for the toughest towing, lifting, and recovery jobs. You also have options like country of origin, hook style, and hook manufacturer, all of which can affect performance, compatibility, and price. The options don't end there. Want synthetic? Not a problem. Want super pack? There's a whole nother topic for another day. It's a lot. Lots of options, lots of education. But here's the bottom line. You have two options, and both start by calling Bailey's. Option 1, send us a photo of your truck's placard, the one that defines what was installed on your truck from the factory, and we'll match exactly what you need. Option 2, tell us what you want, and we'll help you get the perfect winch line for your rig. Choosing the right winch line means fewer replacements, less downtime, and safer recoveries. Don't guess. Get it right the first time. We highly suggest keeping an extra on hand so you're not running to the cable shop last minute and taking whatever they have just to get by. Thanks for checking out Bailey's Tailgate Talk, where cutting corners ain't part of the job.